Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. We are uploading bicycle square related goods regularly. In this video you will find Langto 26 folding electric mountain bike, 48 volts 12-hour Lithium battery, 500 240ths of a watt motor, front and rear suspension frame, both disc brake. This will assist you to purchase decision certainly. More details are given below for your kind information. Technical details: bike type mountain bike, age range, description, adult, brand Langto, number of speeds 7, color red black, wheel size 26 inches, frame material aluminium, suspension type front, special feature aluminium frame, electric, mountain bike, included components electric bike, charger, lock. Size 500 watts with 1 spare battery. Brake-styled disc. Power source rechargeable battery. Item package dimensions 60.24 by 32.68 by 11.81 inches. Item dimensions 70.08 by 21.65 by 40.55 inches. Brand name Langto. Country of origin China. Warranty description: 15 months factory warranty. Manufacturer Dongguan Shijita Huawei Yundongyong Pinyuxian Gongxi. Part number K660. Sport type cycling.